My name is James McLachlan, Editor-in-Chief of Car Design News, and I'm here at Old Billingsgate, just ahead of the 2025 People Awards with Klaus Zyciora, Head of Global Design at Changan, and the Deepal S07. Klaus, welcome to London.
James, thank you. Great to be here, and great to be here in Old Billingsgate, opposite to the Shard.
We are in the heart of London. First of all, before we get into the design, I'd like you to just explain a little bit about the Deepal brand, because it's a brand, sub-brand underneath the Changan umbrella, as it were. Tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, Deepal is a very young and dynamic brand, and the design is a big part of that image that resonates quite positively and successfully, especially with Chinese customers so far. But now we're entering also Europe, and also here we hear that it's energetic design, its branding and its communication and its interior, its digital abilities are resonating greatly also with younger customers.
And that's interesting that you say you're entering Europe at Changan as a brand, probably not that familiar with the European audience yet. What is it you think is going to appeal about the design, like in terms of the design language, in terms of the motifs, the muscles, the graphic?
The design has been born in Europe, in good old Italy, in Torino, in our design center there. Italian, European design merged with Chinese technology. That is a recipe for success.
And you look at some of the detailing here on the light signatures, very precise. They're kind of these strong sort of graphic lines.
It's a very sharp and precise lines with the organization of the front, the architecture, shark nose, proud logotype, and then our tripolar light signature. We give clear, iconic elements that create identity, a character that stands out in the crowd. The car has also great proportions and a fantastic interior.
So you mentioned proportions, Klaus. Tell us a little bit about these proportions.
The ratio of wheelbase to track width, the height, the length, the overhangs, all that is very thoughtfully created, very balanced. The car has a very dynamic roofline.
At this point, now it's started to rain, I think we should take a look at the interior, Klaus, a bit drier in there.
Okay, yeah, let's have a look. This minimalistic approach to design is also one of our key assets. We, of course, look into materials that are also sustainable. Cool. And we have a lot of embroidery and stitch material, chrome pieces, and that's all paying into this value for money proposition that we bring to life with this product.
It's the end of the year, it's 2025, it's been an interesting year in design. What has stood out for you, do you think? What's been the major highlights or the misses that the industry has made?
From my point of view, we do look at very turbulent times. China most definitely at the forefront. The path to the future is clear. It'll be electric. In the next year, we will see the first solid-state batteries going into mass production. The range of battery electric vehicles will substantially go up. Autonomous driving will come to life more and more. We see that all over the place. So the way forward is clear.
Thanks so much for chatting to us, Klaus.